Hello, friends. Have you ever noticed AI gives perfect answers at first and then suddenly it starts acting confused? So, there is a hidden limit behind this, and once you understand it, you will use AI better than 90% engineers. So, now let's understand one more powerful concept here, which most Q engineers don't know, that is basically context window. So, simple meaning how much AI can remember at one time? Think like this: AI has a memory limit and it cannot remember everything forever. Just like a human brain, after some time things start getting forgotten. So, simple analogy, if I say, like, let's suppose you are talking to a friend. At the start, the conversation is very clear, but after a long discussion, like you had a long discussion with your friend, you ask, do you remember what I said in the beginning? And your friend says, no, I forgot. The same thing happens with AI. This limit is actually called context window. So now let's connect with tokens. So context window is measured in tokens. For example, AI can handle 8,000 tokens. I'm just taking an example. Inside this limit, it includes your prompt tokens, your AI response tokens, previous conversation tokens, everything is counted. So if the limit is crossed, AI starts forgetting the older information. So let's take one real QA scenario, like you ask AI generate test cases for source demo login. And then after that you just give a next prompt. Okay, let me show you an example directly. For example, you just give a first prompt here and you just give generate test cases for source demo login, and it gave you some well structured test cases. Okay, now you gave the second prompt. For example, now generate test cases for add to cart. Let's see now. Okay, now in your third prompt, let's suppose you gave now generate checkout test cases. Now you just give, for example, now generate checkout test cases, and okay, it gave us positive, okay, negative test cases, edge cases, functional flow validation, security test cases, okay, UI UX, okay, some performance test cases also it included. Okay, now you just give one prompt here, combine everything into one end-to-end flow. Now, what will happen? See, it is basically giving me two responses here. So, what happened actually? If the conversation became too long, AI might forget the login details. Fine. So, you could see here it just gave me two responses. In the first response, okay, so it just started with complete purchase flow. Okay, now here it started with the login flow, then here it started with the login, then add multiple products. So you could see here it might, if you see, it has just skipped the successful login test cases. If you could see it in the first response, isn't it? So You know why this happened? Because the context window is full. Now, what happens here? The real problem that basically you may face. So, as a QA engineer using AI, you will notice this AI suddenly changes answers, AI forgets earlier steps, and AI gives incomplete flows. And you think AI is wrong, but the reality is context window limit has been reached. So, if you just check like what might be the smart solution for it, so what should you do? You can just break your problem into smaller parts. Like instead of giving one long conversation, you can just use small focus prompts. For example, generate login test cases, generate add to cart test cases, generate checkout test cases, and then combine these into one flow. Now, what happens? Fewer tokens per request, better memory handling, and cleaner output. So, the pro level strategy is if you want to work like a senior QA with AI, you need to follow this rule. Never do not overload AI memory. Just keep your prompts short, avoid unnecessary chat history, start a new chat if needed because fresh context is always the better output. So the powerful connection is tokens plus context. So now just understand the final connection. Tokens controls the cost, context window controls memory. If you would manage both, AI will become expensive and confusing, but if you control both, you basically become a smart AI engineer. So the final insight is AI is powerful because it has two limits. Just understand this. It has always two limits, that is token uses and context memory. Understand these two and you will be going to use AI better than 90% of QA engineers. So I hope you liked this session. If you really enjoyed this session, do like, share and subscribe my channel and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Thank you everyone.